Ethereum has currently stalled on $2,000. This leaves us investors interested in what is going to happen next. Let's find out a little bit more of that through an Ethereum price prediction that will help us understand the situation and what to do forward. Ethereum price is logging another up day after recovering the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. Still, the gains have been timid, and the underlying volume does not reflect accumulation as ETH struggles with the February high. The smart contracts giant successfully tested the May 23 low and the 2020 rising trendline, but it has done very little to reveal bigger directional intentions. Ethereum price still not standing on both feet. The positive response of Ethereum price to the outstanding support framed by the 200-day SMA at $1,878, the 2020 rising trendline at $1,793, the 61.8% retracement of the March 2020 to May 2021 advance at $1,730 and the May 23 low of $1,728 created a hint of optimism for enthusiastic ETH investors and short-term speculators. Ethereum price action since June 22 has not been compelling or comparable to some of the rebounds in other altcoins, suggesting something specific to ETH may be interfering with its attempts to dismantle the February high of $2,041 confidently. An essential part of the problem has been the low volume, uncharacteristic of final correction lows, and may reveal more downside ahead for the digital asset. A daily close above $2,041 is the first step to getting ETH standing on both feet, but still leaves the resistance at the 50% retracement of the advance from March 2020 to the May 2021 high at $2,237 as another serious technical hurdle. However, if Ethereum price can get above $2,041 and close this week flat or nearly flat, it would a convincing conclusion to the week and raise the odds that ETH has finally realized a long-term low. Additional upside targets include the apex of the symmetrical triangle at $2,730, but further gains will be rebuffed by the convergence of the 50-day SMA at $2,784 and the Ichimoku cloud, yielding a 35% from the February high. Ethereum price could resolve lower very quickly, putting it in danger of printing a new correction low. In front of that outcome is the support defined by the 2020 rising trendline at $1,777 and then the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement at $1,730. Beyond those levels, ETH will not encounter much support until the 2018 high of $1,419. The LTHNUPL continues to be flat, with most long-term holders carrying profits. However, if ETH stays at these levels or breaks firmly below the May lows, they will suffer a fall in their unrealized gains, testing their conviction for the first time in 2021. ETH was the most compelling story heading into the May high, surpassing the performance of Bitcoin and most altcoins. Still, it has been a tricky period since the May high, testing the patience of die-hard speculators. Unless Ethereum price resolves the February high of $2,041, short-term ETH holders may be compelled to further exit positions. Moreover, a new shift to lower prices will finally test the holding power of long-term ETH holders, adding a new potential source of selling pressure for the smart contracts token. Thanks for watching the Ethereum price prediction.